What makes a person want to cough? Coughing is a reflex that helps clear the airways of irritants. The nerves in the airways are stimulated by allergens, diseases, drugs and other irritants, which leads to a strong displacement of air from the lungs. There are many causes of coughing. Common causes of cough include 1. Allergens, pollen, dust, animal dander, mold, etc. 2. Irritating, smoking, inhalation of passive smoke, pollution, chemical fumes, perfumes, air fresheners. 3. Medical conditions, common cold, upper respiratory tract infection, flu, pneumonia, whooping cough, asthma, gastroesophageal reflux disease (GERD), sinus infection, postnasal drip water, acute bronchitis, chronic bronchitis, bronchiectasis, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD), heart failure. 4. Medicines, ACE inhibitors, beta blockers. 5. A dry cough is usually the result of cold and flu viruses, allergies, acid reflux, ACE inhibitors, and irritants such as cigarette smoke. 6. A wet cough is often caused by cold or flu viruses or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. 7. A persistent or chronic cough is one that lasts more than 3 weeks and can be caused by heart disease, asthma, lung disease, bronchitis, and whooping cough. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like the video and subscribe for our new content. Click the bell sign to stay in contact with updates from us. Don't forget to check some useful links in the video description below. Hope see you back on Lify Life.